and the call is tripping. And so begins power play number 1. Let's see if it's power play goal number 1. Hammered! That one came closer to the Zamboni doors.
Boy, this puck had a lot of steam on it, but unfortunately he turned his hands over, and that's what caused the puck to miss the net badly.
Frolunda's moving it up the wing. Gains the zone and looks over his options. Brings a shot. Score! A power play goal, and it's a biggie.
You want to score goals, you got to get to this area of the ice.
And so we loved scoring up there, didn't we? Right up underneath the bar, you beat the goalie over the glove hand. He's not so confident anymore.
A little under 9 minutes off the clock. Just recently another goal, and so the lead is 2. And they take that neutral zone face-off.
By number 23.
Lets it go. Save!
By number 21. And by number 18. Time of the goal, 8 minutes, 40 seconds.
Good face-off win. Big drive. Great glove save. To Roy. Right up the side. Gets across, looks over his options. Outstanding glove save.
Linköping's fans got back on their feet after watching the replay of that massive save on the big board. I don't think we're going to see a bigger save than that the rest of the night.
Clean win on the draw. That one is pointed to him. The puck is fielded now by Roy. Wonderful chance was set up, and the pass just goes wide. Shoots. Wonderful save. He was hovering right over him.
You want to score goals, you have to go to this area.
Good clean win on the draw. And the puck is seized by Carlson. Puts one on. Another save. Oh, it's there. Squeezed for a whistle. Under 7 minutes still to play in this period. Just recently another goal, and so the lead is 2. Linköping's got that win. Collected by Carlson. Lets it go. Outstanding save with a glove.
The goalie gave him the glove side, and he took it away. What a stop.
Good job on the draw. Frolunda's in their own end setting things up. Up the boards, he's holding on to it well. Gustafson's at the bench, extra man on. Didn't miss by much.
There's not really much place to go with the shot. He's trying to be perfect. He misses, and the puck rings around the boards.
This is an easy call for the official, Doc. Player made no attempt to play the puck and just tripped up the attacking player.
Anything you do once, you can do twice. Let's see if that applies to this particular power play. Quick work on the faceoff. Oh, wonderful play.
Time of the penalty, 15 minutes, 11 seconds.
Lets it go. Score! A shorthanded goal.
That's just an outstanding effort while shorthanded. He caught the power play players a little flat-footed. He was able to make a beautiful move and score.
And so just because you're in the butterfly doesn't mean you can give in to the shooter. You still have to move. He looked like he thought he was in perfect shape to make the stop and didn't have to move. bad guess.
And they've won the faceoff. Nice job, straight stand-up poke check. Sends to the point. Chipped off the boards and ahead. Point blast. Shot on. Not through. Billings is looking towards center from his own end. Keeps it going up the wing. Didn't go very well there. Who comes up with it? Passing one off now to Lundqvist. Up the wing still with possession and with hope. Frölunda's power blocked. Score!
Well, the element of surprise with the wrist shot. Get the goaltender in between. It's not how hard you shoot it, it's how quick you release it. And that was a quick release.
It looked to me like he had stopped this shot. He had a big chunk of it, but it worked its way into the net.
Face-off win, and now what will they do with it?
By number 56, Jonathan Sigalat, assisted by number
Shoots one.
Joel Lundqvist.
Good use of the stick, broke that pass up. One into another.
This is not going to be a game for quiet players. You're going to need to be physical. That
Terrific glove save. A whistle and a rest.
And so we've been on the receiving end of more than a few of these things. This is why you retire from the game. What a gorgeous hit.
Nice face-off work. Wonderful block. Frölunda's got it in their own end, hoping for center. Gains the zone. Points it. It's a point hammer shot. Brings a shot. Nearly grazed the iron on that.
Well, that's a good scoring chance. He's trying to be too fine, trying to pick the corner. Sometimes you've just got to shoot it at the middle of the net.
Fans, take a look to the sky. The home team Zeppelin is loaded with prizes and is your way all intermission long.
Frölunda's insurance goal was scored late in the period. You see it once again as we go to break. Second period about to begin here. Let's take a look back at the first. What stuck out for you?
Linköping's lucky to still be in this game after the first period. They had turnover after turnover. I'm sure the coaches addressed that problem in the intermission.
Big point-blank save there.
You talk about cutting down the angle. Perfectly executed by the goaltender.
And it's a good pickup. And now it's directed to Lundqvist. Pitching it to Donovan. Nicely into the zone. Knocks it away with the stick. Linköping's carrying on in the defensive zone. Around through the corner right now. He's trying to spring him ahead, and he's got him. Fires. Frölunda's organizing back in the defensive zone. Gets in. What'll he do? Moves up along the boards. With a strong wrist shot. Wow, what a glove save.
There was some room. Not enough. Great glove save.
Gustafsson's ability to read the play was pretty good there as he got across to make the stop on that odd man rush.
Defensive zone win. Referee over to the penalty box, and let's find out. Lin Xiaoping's got 2 on this one for tripping.
I'm going to give credit to the puck carrier here. He kept his legs moving. He forced the back checker to reach in and take him off his feet.
Anything you do once, you can do twice. Let's see if that applies to this particular power play. Good face-off win. Cut his glove on it. Oh, how can they miss that pass? Wonderful save. What a skill level there.
With this puck being so close to net, this is all a reactionary save. Lin Xiaoping's fans sitting behind their net got up and showed their respect by bowing to him after that huge save.
Just over 6 minutes have passed. It's a 3-1 game. Solid, clean win. Knocked right off the stick. Shot on. Terrific save. Great shooting lane. Oh, poke check saved one there. Let's go, Arister. Freezes play.
Pretty routine stop. You can see why everybody learns the butterfly when they're a young kid. Takes away the bottom of the net.
Quick work on the faceoff. Good deflection try, but off the mark. Frolunda's leaving the defensive zone. Good standing poke check. Lin Xiaoping's trying to pry it free along the boards. From the outside. Got it all.
Oh, he thought he had him on the glove side.
Clean win on the draw. Frolunda's on the move along the boards. Gets in, and he'll look over his options. Got a piece of it. Lin Xiaoping's lugging it along in neutral ice. Picks it up back there. Puck grab, what's next? Frolunda's got it in the defensive zone. Gets that one on across. Loose puck did not go well. Larson's cutting through the neutral zone. Wrist shot. Great glove save.
What a glove save. He showed him the glove and he took it away.
I don't know if he's going to make a save much easier than that one. He's in good position. It's a rather routine stop.
Good job on the draw. Frolunda's working it along the boards. He's got that pass at the point. Lets it go. Save. Face-off win here. With a shot. Lin Xiaoping's organizing things back in the defensive zone. Into the attacking end. Oh, what a chance, what a save. Nice face-off work. Frolunda's in possession through the neutral zone. Shoots. Oh, terrific save on a great chance.
Not often you're all alone in front of the goaltender from this area of the ice. Great save.
The poke check worked. He's in. Masterful save. Stoned him cold. He usually scores on those. Terrific glove save, but it's loose. Defensive zone win. And he pushes it on through mid-ice. Into the end of attack. Frölunda's carrying on up the wing. Got it in his own end. That one's right on his stick from the right side. Good place to shoot from. And a save. Tied up on the boards. Kicked out of the scrum. Frölunda's in control of the puck in the defensive zone. Wonderful job as he plays it up the wing. Whoa, what a play! A shot. Shoots. Terrific shot, but a great point-blank save.
You don't get many better opportunities than that. Great save.
That's 2 periods in the books. 1 more to go, but a rest comes first.
Look for our food donation boxes located throughout the concourse.
His team is behind. It would be further behind if not for big saves like this one. Intermission is next. "40 minutes have been played. They are getting ready for the 3rd period here. So take us back through the game. What do you think, Eddie?
Linköping's got a real tough task ahead of them as we get ready for the 3rd period. They know they're facing a hot goaltender. They know they've created a lot of chances. They need a bounce. They need to get a greasy goal. In order to do that, you've got to put yourself right in front of the goaltender.
This scrum will end soon. Lets it go. That shot came from just 6 inches.
Terrific stop from right in front of the net, but you've got to find a way to put the puck in the net.
Gets in. What'll he do? Snaps one in there. Wonderful save on a terrific scoring chance.
Gustafson's seen a lot of rubber tonight. His team defensively hasn't helped him out very much, but he's turned aside almost everything, and as a result, they have the lead.
He gains the zone. Play to be made now by Larson. Good pass up that left wing, and he's got it. Snapped out of the air. Held there for a face-off coming up next. Just under 4 minutes have been played. A 2-goal spread in this one, 3-1. Lundqvist won again. His team is winning. All's good. Frölunda's lugging it up the wing. Flings it. Wonderful save. Linköping's back in its own end, trying to work forward. Gets it in a good place. Fires a shot. And another missed shot.
You have chances like that, you really feel like you let your teammates down.
Hangs on to that one, and he'll see a face-off right near it. Big face-off win. Lets it go. Not a free puck now. Frölunda's moving the puck along the side. Shoots. Wide. Great take. Dangerous area. Blue line control. Great glove save. Play continues. Gains the zone. Oh, that one hit someone on the way. Good job with the poke check. Tries to get it on net. Good grab again. One-timer. Under siege, needs to be gotten out. Shoots. Point blank save.
The goalie makes himself look big.
Breakaway. Oh, what a save. He brought his best shot, and it got stopped.
Frölunda's built a lead on the fact that they've dominated puck possession. Their goaltender has had a very easy night in there. Hasn't had a lot of shots, but he stopped what he's had to.
Up the wing and moving well. Shoots one. Oh, and it's off the mark.
When the puck sounds hard when it hits the end.
Stick save on the changing shot. Puck covered, whistle blown.
Linköping's goaltending has been solid all year. When you look back at that last huge save, you know why.
Solid, clean win. Frölunda's getting an attack ready in their own end. Onside. And we get a penalty. Referee to the table, a player to the box. Linköping's only going to get 2 minutes on this call, but it was tripping. They win the draw. Shoots.
2 minutes for tripping.
Loose puck brought in by Larson.
5 seconds.
Goaltender comes out, and he's got the puck on that big blade. Bunted down. Moves it to the corner. Frölunda setting things up in their own end. Moved along and in. Seeks the corner. Shoots one. That hit somebody. He throws it there. Oh, he got that. Lundqvist hot tonight, and when his team needed him most. Gains the blue line. Waffle boarded. Linköping's penalty killers have done it at the right time.
Power play can be a momentum builder, or it can sap the life out of your team. That was a great opportunity for them in a key point in the game to really help themselves out, and they whiffed on it.
An enormous defensive face-off win. Taken over again. Lifted back along and down the ice, and it goes for an icing. A big win. Let's see what happens. Linköping's waiting back in their own end. Nicely into the zone. Puck is thrown to Lundqvist. Moving it to Donovan. Got that pass near the blue line and now looks ahead. That's a good solid poke check.
Last minute of play.
Last minute to go in the third. Frölunda's in control of the puck up the wing. Can make a play from the corner. Gustafsson's at the bench. 6 attackers now. Blockered away. And we get a penalty here. The referee strides over to hand it out. Linköping's given a minor here for tripping.
Well, in desperation mode, all he was trying to do was sweep the puck away, but unfortunately caught the player's skates.
A power play that can generate goals is special, and this one has been. Let's see if it continues.
To number 72. 2 minutes.
Lets it go.
Time of the penalty. 19 minutes, 18 seconds.
It's on his stick up that left side. Nice stand-up poke check there. Offside stops the clock. They've got the draw. Gets in, looks over his options here. Lets it go. Off his glove. Takes a shot. Save. Moving it now up the wing. Wrist shot. Up the wing, moving along. Lets it go. Great stick save. And the game is over. Well played it was. This game was a close game, and it was a little bit deceptive that way because of the victor's time of possession.
Could have thrown 2 or 3 pucks out there, and they were going to have all of them all at the same time.
That's it for another great night at a hockey rink. For Eddie and Ray, Doc saying good evening, everyone.